In this video, how to configure the default speaker, audio, or sound output on Windows. The first way, we can do it from Windows settings. The second way can be done from Control Panel. In the last way, we can configure the default speaker using Game Bar. You can open the Game Bar by pressing Windows and G keys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.